Natural pest control, tobacco, garlic, onion, the garden warrior trio. If you're tired of using harsh chemical pesticides in your garden, nature offers a powerful alternative. A homemade mixture using tobacco leaves, garlic, and onion can protect your plants from a wide range of common pests, without harming the environment, your soil, or beneficial insects. Tobacco contains natural alkaloids like nicotine, which are toxic to many soft-bodied insects including aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, thrips, and caterpillars. These compounds disrupt their nervous systems and repel them almost instantly. Garlic is a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. Its active compound, allicin, emits a strong odor and taste that insects absolutely hate. Garlic spray works especially well against spider mites, beetles, and even fungal issues like powdery mildew. Onion, like garlic, adds another pungent layer of protection. Its sulfur compounds confuse and repel pests such as aphids, armyworms, and leafhoppers. When combined with garlic, it creates a strong scent barrier that most insects won't cross. How to make the spray: chop 1 whole onion and 1 head of garlic. Add to a container with half a cup dried tobacco or a few shredded cigarettes. Pour in 1 liter, about 4 cups, of warm water. Let it steep for 24 hours. Strain the liquid, dilute it 1:2 with clean water. And spray your plants thoroughly, especially the undersides of leaves. This mixture is eco-friendly, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. Use it in the early morning or late evening, 1 to 2 times a week. Avoid spraying during full sun to prevent leaf burn. Final tip: garlic, onion, and tobacco can turn your garden into a pest-free zone, the natural way. Safe for veggies, safe for pets, and safe for you.